What's up guys, my name is Sean. Welcome to my tech channel. So here I have all the MagSafe accessories that is available for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. The phone is not out yet, but I was able to get these accessories. So we're going to open them up and check them out. The only thing I don't have right now is the wallet, and that's on back order. I should get it soon. So if you do like content like this, please remember to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you won't miss my future videos. I have a ton more iPhone 12 content and iPhone 12 accessories coming up. Let's set this aside. All right, so inside the box, we have some literature, safety and handling, regulatory compliance, and no Apple sticker. This is a 15-watt charger and warranty information. This is a 15-watt charger, and Apple's able to give you double the normal wireless charging capability because of the magnets. They're able to line them up perfectly, and that's how you can get the maximum power. Designed by Apple in California. And here it is. So it comes with a USB Type-C cable. The cable is about 4 feet long. Is there an easy way to take this out? So opening on one side, you can just simply pull it out. Beautiful. For size comparison, I want to show this to you. This is my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Once you put it on, it takes about this much room. I'm going to use a big brick that came with the iPhone 11 Pro Max that I got. Obviously, the iPhone 11 Pro Max does not have the magnets, but you should still be able to use it as a regular charger. There we go. Oh. So what's interesting is it actually looks like there's a little bit of a magnet that it has. It attaches to some of the internal components of this. Look at this. This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and it is sticking to it. Obviously, it's not lining up like iPhone 12 and 12 Pro Max will do, but I think it's just an interesting fact. Next, I have 4 different cases here for the 6.1-inch model. All right, let's start with the clear case. Again, just a pull tab. And here it is. I have a dummy unit that I'm gonna test for fit and finish. Now the case, looking at it real quick, it's a basic shell. The bottom is open, just like a traditional Apple silicone or leather case. It is a very snug fit. It actually looks pretty cool. You have that ring, that magnet that will kind of like showcase the Apple logo for you here. I like the protection it gets around the edges and on the screen. It's probably a good 2, maybe 3. No, it's probably like 2 millimeter. So if you put it on its surface, you know it's not gonna scratch the screen. And it's not a soft shell. It does not have a lot of play in it. So just wanted to show that to you. Okay. So inside you have this kind of like fabric finish with the exception of where the ring is. I guess, I don't know, for a better magnet pass through. I'm not a scientist. So the fit and finish is very similar. Interesting fact, this actually is the first time I remember seeing an Apple case having a closed off bottom. This was open and this is closed. I'm gonna pull this up close so you guys can take a look. It's very soft to touch. It seems not as grippy as the previous ones, but I could be wrong. The buttons are clicky, and around the camera lenses are raised a little bit to give you that protection, but it's a minimum shell case. If you're liking this video so far, please remember to give this video a like and subscribe. I have a lot more content coming up. I have all the other colors of the cases and the wallet coming up, and I will showcase that as well. Again, similar finish. You have this soft fabric inside. The bottom is closed off, which I actually personally prefer. And it has kind of like a sand white finish, like an eggshell. It's kind of like an off-white. I like it. Like I said, it seems a little bit slippier than before, not as grippy. The plus side is when you're trying to put it inside your pocket and take it out, it should be a little bit easier. Again, if you haven't had a chance to like this video and subscribe, please do so. That will be a huge help to me and my channel. So if you want to support me, that's the best thing you can do for me. This, I think, is their navy color. Ooh, this is nice. This is a very dark and matte blue. I really like this look. This actually is not a bad combo, white with this blue. So I just realized I actually forgot to test the magnet in the cases with the MagSafe Charger itself. So let's check that out. So when it gets close to it, it doesn't really attach it. You have to get maybe within about a 1/4 inch from its actual spot. And then it has this very, very strong pull. So obviously right now, this is just using that metal ring to try to stick to that. When iPhone 12 and 12 Pro Max come out, they actually have their own built-in magnets that try to pull as well. But just right now, if you were to test this with the case itself, with just a little bit of a force, it will come off. But I just wanted to show you this satisfactory clicky action. The only other thing I would tell you is right now I've only put this on the case just a few times. I already see a very subtle halo where the ring, where the magnet will go. So I don't know long term what kind of an impact this will have on the case that you have on your phone. All right, this was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully this was helpful, and stay safe, and I'll see you soon.